we want to solve equation of the type modulus ax plus b equal to modulus cx plus d. So before we solve this, we want to know that the modulus, we want to refresh about the modulus. A modulus of A is actually the magnitude of A. Okay, so if I have modulus of 5, then it is 5. We have the modulus of -5, then it is 5 also. Okay, so now if I have modulus of A equal to modulus of B, then it can be A equal to plus minus B. Then some of the students will say, hey, sir, why don't you put the plus minus for A as well? Okay, it is because you look at this. Modulus of 5 equal to modulus of 5. So this is 5 equal to 5. If I have modulus of -5 equal to modulus of -5, then -5 equal to -5. So it is also 5 equal to 5. That is A equal to B. Okay, for this case, this is the A modulus of A equal to modulus of B. Then the A equal to B. 5 equal to 5, 5 equal to 5. Something like that. Okay, if I have modulus 5 equal to modulus -5, then this one, the 5 is actually negative of -5. Okay, negative of the part behind. If I have the modulus of -5 equal to modulus 5, then the -5 is negative of the one behind. Okay, so actually this one is A equal to -B. So we have two cases on it. So we do two cases on it. One, we just remove A equal to B. The other one, A equal to -B. Okay. So for this kind of question, at least we can have three methods to solve this kind of question. Okay. For the first method is very easy. That is the x minus 5 equal to plus minus of x plus 1. Okay, we remove the modulus and then the behind we put the plus minus. So we have the x minus 5 equal to x plus 1 and x minus 5 is negative of x plus 1. So we have the x minus x equal to 1 plus 5, then 0 equal to 6. Okay, so this one, but 0 not equal to 6. Okay, this is no solution. Okay, we have the 0 equal to 6. This is something wrong. Okay, so for this one, I have negative x minus 1 is x minus 5. So x plus x is negative 1 plus 5. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So after we get the answer, okay, for this kind of question, we must do check. We must check. Okay, so what we need to check is we have the x equal to 2. For the left hand side of the equation, it will become modulus of 2 minus 5. Is modulus -3. It is 3. For the right hand side, it is modulus of 2 plus 1. It is modulus of 3. It is 3. So 3 equal to 3. So this is a solution. Okay, so we confirm it is a solution. We look at example number 2. So we have the 2x plus 1 equal to plus minus x minus 3. So we have the 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3 and 2x plus 1 equal to negative x minus 3. So 2x minus x equal to negative 3 minus 1. Okay, so we have the x equal to negative 4 And we have the 2x plus 1 equal to negative x plus 3. So 2x plus x equal to 3 minus 1. So we have the 3x equal to 2, x equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so what we need to do now, we have to check. Okay, x equal to negative 4. The left hand side is equal to modulus of 2x plus 1. Modulus of 2 negative 4 plus 1. Okay, it is negative 7. It is 7. For the right hand side, modulus of negative 4 minus 3 is modulus of negative 7. It is 7. So this one, okay, no problem. Both of these are same. So this is a solution. But for 2 over 3, what we need to check is x equal to 2 over 3. Left hand side is modulus 2 times 2 over 3 plus 1. So it's 4 over 3 plus 1. It is 7 over 3. Okay. And for the right hand side, it is modulus 2 over 3 minus 3. Okay. 9减 modulus of negative 7 over 3. It's 7 over 3 as well. Okay, these two are the same. So this is the solution as well. So from here, we can conclude that solution is x equal to 2 over 3 and x equal to negative 4. So for the work example 1, we can see that the modulus x minus 5 and x plus 1, the coefficient for x are same. X and x, they are same. So in one of the case, we will have no solution here because the x minus x is become 0 already. And for the work example number 2, coefficient of the first one left hand side one is 2x, the right hand side is x. So we have two solutions here. But for the work example 1, we have one solution only. Okay. Can. So, but for all of these questions, we are using the same method to solve it. Even this question, we're still doing the same thing. So what we need to do, but this is far more complicated compared to the work example 1 and work example 2 lah. So we have modulus, two modulus here. Okay, so I move it here, then it will become modulus uh, x plus 4 equal to 11 minus modulus x minus 5. Okay, so when I remove the modulus here, so I have the x plus 4 equal to plus minus of 11 minus modulus x minus 5. So I have the x plus 4 equal to 11 minus modulus x minus 5. And we have the x plus 4 equal to negative of 11 minus modulus x minus 5. So it is modulus, so it is negative 11 plus modulus x minus 5. This is x plus 4. So we have these two. Okay, so the textbook, the way they write it, they split the equation into two parts. 11 minus x modulus x minus 5 and modulus x minus 5 minus 11. So these and these are the same. Okay, but I think with the step here is clearer for you to understand what happened, how the textbook get the second equation here. Okay, so for this one, we have a modulus here. So what we do, we move the modulus here to this part. So I have the modulus x minus 5 equal to 11 minus 4 minus x. So it's 7 minus x. So the x minus 5 equal to plus minus 7 minus x. Okay, so I have the x minus 5 equal to 7 minus x. And I have the x minus 5 equal to negative 7 minus x. So I have 2x equal to 12, x equal to 6. And this one, x minus 5 equal to negative 7 plus x. So 0 equal to negative 2. This one is no solution. Okay, as 0 is not equal to negative 2. So x equal to 6. So I want to check the x equal to 6 is the solution or not. So I substitute the x equal to 6 into this equation. So x equal to 6, okay, check, okay, x equal to 6. So the right hand side is modulus 6 plus 4 plus modulus 6 minus 5. Modulus 10 plus modulus 1, then is 10 plus 1 equal to 11, equal to the right hand side. Okay, so this is a solution. So we go to the second part here. So this one, I move this negative 11 here, it will become x plus 11 equal to modulus x minus 5. So I can have the x minus 5 equal to plus minus x plus 15. So I have the x minus 5 equal to x plus 15. X minus 5 equal to negative x plus 15. So over here, I have 0 equal to 20. This one, no solution. Okay, this is not a solution. And for this one, I have x minus 5 equal to negative x minus 15. I have 2x equal to negative 10, x equal to negative 5. So I need to check the answer. So check x equal to negative 5. So the left hand side is modulus negative 5 plus 4 plus modulus negative 5 minus negative 5. So modulus of negative 1 plus modulus of negative 10. So 1 plus 10 equal to 11. This is the right hand side. Okay, so it is a solution. Yes. So we can conclude that x equal to negative 5 and 6 are solution. So for the work example number 1, 2, 3, now we try to solve with the second method. And actually, normally I will use the second method. Okay, but the second method is far more powerful. And at the same time, it's far more difficult. Okay, yeah, okay. So what we do here is this. We have modulus P equal to modulus Q. Then we can square both sides and remove the modulus. Okay. So for this one, we want to solve this using algebraic method. So we square both sides. So we have the x minus 5. Okay. So we have the x minus 5 square equal to x plus 1 square. We just square both sides. Okay. So one thing that you must good in this technique, okay, I will feel that this is not difficult because I'm good in expanding this kind of, okay. So if I have a plus b square, I know it will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. If I have minus, then I change to minus here, but the b part is still the same plus. Okay, so we have the x squared minus 10x plus 25 equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. So if you are good in expanding this, you can straight from this part to this part. If you cannot straight from this part to this part, you need to do the x minus 5 multiply with x minus 5, then you have to do a lot of steps. Then it's difficult. You must master the skill that from this equation straight go to this equation. Okay, so the next thing is we move x to one side. Okay, why I move the x behind? Because x squared minus x squared, when I move either side, the x squared won't appear anymore. But I have negative 10x and 2x here. So I move the negative 10x, then it will become 2x plus 10x. The x become positive. I like to make the coefficient of x become positive because go to the inequality part, I don't like to deal with a equation with a negative coefficient for x. I don't like. Okay, so I prefer to look at the equation coefficient of x here is greater, then I move to this side, number to the other side. So 24 equal to 12x. So the x is equal to 24 over 12. It is 2. So I want to check. So left hand side is equal to modulus of 2 minus 5 is equal to modulus negative 3 is 3. Right hand side equal to modulus of 2 plus 1 is modulus of 3 is 3. So this is the solution. So for work example number 2, we do the same thing as well. I have the 2x plus 1 square is equal to x minus 3 square. So I have the 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 equal to x squared minus 6x plus 9. So I move everything in front. So I have 3x squared plus 10x minus 8 equal to 0. So this one, we do the factorization. We have the x, 3x, 4, 2 plus minus. So we have the x equal to negative 4 and x equal to 2 over 3. So I need to check. Okay, so for the x equal to negative 4, whether it is a solution or not. Okay, so this is the equation. So we need to check x equal to negative 4. So the left hand side equal to modulus of 2 times negative 4 plus 1. So it's modulus negative 7, 7. Right hand side is equal to negative 4 minus 3 modulus of negative 7. So it is 7 as well. So this is a solution. So for x equal to 2 over 3, so the right hand side is equal to modulus 2 times 2 over 3 plus 1. So it's modulus of 7 over 3. It is 7 over 3. And for the right hand side is modulus 2 over 3 minus 3 is modulus of 7 over 3. So it is 7 over 3. Okay, so this one also same. So from here, we can conclude that, okay, so the solution is negative 4 and 2 over 3. So solution are negative 4 and 2 over 3. Okay. Okay. So for example number 3, okay, we want to solve it. We have the modulus x plus 4 equal to 11 minus modulus x minus 5. Okay, so we square both sides. Then I have the x squared plus 8x plus 16 equal to 121 minus 22 modulus x minus 5 and plus this is x minus 5 squared. Okay, so the x minus 5 squared is actually x squared minus 10x plus 25. So what happened here is actually we have the 11 square, we have the x minus 5 square, and then plus 2 times 11 times negative modulus x minus 1. Okay, we square the first one, square the second one, and then 2 times these two items. So it comes negative 22 modulus x minus 5. So for this one, okay, so I feel lucky that I'm using computer to solve this question. Okay, otherwise I have to repeat the same thing, or I just skip that one. I will skip some of the steps. Okay, so for this one, what I will do is I move this in front, and this I move behind. So I have the 22 modulus x minus 5 equal to, I have the x squared minus x squared, then we don't have x squared anymore. Okay, so negative 10 plus minus 8 is negative 18x. I have the 121 plus 21, 25. So 121 plus 25 minus 16. Okay, it will become 130. So plus 130. Okay. Okay. So next, what we have is uh I can actually simplify it lah. So 11 modulus x minus 5 equal to negative 9x plus 65. Okay. Then we square both sides again. So it will become 125 x squared minus 10x plus 25 equal to 81x 2 times 9 times 65, 1170. So minus 1170x, and then this is x squared plus the 65 squared, then 4225. So 4225. So I have the 121x squared minus 1210x plus this is 121 times 25, 3025 minus 81 x squared plus 1170x minus 4225 equal to 0. So 121 minus 81, I have 40. So 40 x squared. And negative 1210 plus 1170 is negative 40x. The 3025 minus 4225, it will become 1002 minus 1002. All divided by 40. X squared minus x divided by this divided by 40 is 30 equal to 0. 五六三十. So we have the x 5 6 minus 5, x equal to negative 5, x equal to 6. So we have the x equal to negative 5, x equal to 6. So I just feel lazy to do the checking. So I just copy and paste there. Okay. But because it's same so I no need to do the same thing Okay. So this one I don't check the same thing anymore because we do the checking here already So even the conclusion also I no need to write So the conclusion also I copy paste because this is the same Okay. So this is the solution. Okay. So for method number 3 is solve graphically. Yes, draw the graph. Graphically, modulus x minus 5 equal to modulus x plus 1. So we need to draw the modulus x minus 5. Modulus x minus 5, we learned in chapter number 1, the graph for modulus. Okay, modulus x minus 5. So we have the graph here. We have the x minus 5 is look like this. Okay, so when we want to do the modulus, okay, so we do the modulus, it will become this. So the negative part will become the positive part. So this is modulus x minus 1. Okay, so the x plus 1, so we have the x plus 1 is look like this. Okay, the graph is look like this. So when we want to do the modulus, then it will become something like this. Okay, so we don't look at the x minus 5 and x plus 1. We look at here. So the solution is 2, 3. So that is the x equal to 3 y equal 2, x equal to 2, y equal to 3. So like what we solve here, we have the x equal to 2 is the solution. So x equal to 2 is the solution. Yeah. Can use the calculator to check the answer. So what we need to do is we have the shift ABS absolute value x minus 5. I go next and then I press alpha equal. So anything in pink color, after I press alpha, I can use it. And shift absolute x plus 1. So after I key in the equation, for your all mathematical question, as long as you have an equation, you can key in the equation into the calculator. And then you press shift solve. They will ask for any value. You can start with 0 or 0. Then you press equal. The calculator will return x equal to 2. Then left minus right equal to 0. If it is not 0, then it is not a solution. If it is a 0, then that one is the solution. Okay, so any equation, okay, you can do it, but there is one weakness for this solve. Okay, that is they can return one only. Okay, because for this question, we know that we have two solutions, but the calculator will return you one nearest to the guess value, starting value. So I have the absolute value 2x plus 1 alpha equal absolute value x minus 3. Shift solve. So I guess I put 0 here. It will return 2 over 3. Okay, but the question here, they have more than one. So what you need to do, you have to do the shift solve again. You try with another guess value, maybe -5. Then they will give you -4. Okay. So for this one, the L minus R equal to 0, that is the left hand side minus the right hand side equal to 0. Absolute value x plus 4 plus absolute value x minus 5 alpha equal 11. Shift solve. I put any value 0, then it will return 6. Okay, so the answer that we have here is 6. One of the value is 6. And I shift solve again. I put -8. Then it will become -5. So you press shift solve. Then any guess value, initial value. Then the calculator will look until the nearest answer. So for just now, the question number 2, we have 2x plus 1. So we have the modulus 2x plus 1. So we have the modulus 2x plus 1 is this. And the next one is x minus 3. So modulus x minus 3. So we can see that the solution is this and this. So x equal to -4 and x equal to 2 over 3. Okay. So we have this one is modulus x plus 4 x minus 5. So we have the modulus x plus 4 and then plus modulus x minus 5 equal 11. Okay, not 11. This one is this. Okay, this is 11. So you can see that this is the equation. So this is y equal to 11. Y equal to 11. So this is y equal to 11. So this is the value -5 and 6. But we can't draw this one. Even me also cannot draw this. So I can draw this. Okay, I can draw this. 11 minus modulus this. Ah, then we have this and this. Ah, so I zoom in. Something look like this. Okay. So detail about drawing graphically, we will discuss later. Okay. So for today's lesson, until this.